Here's a Liftronic Unitronic MRL Traction lift at Park and Go at Springfield Central. Sensors. Go to 4. What? There's a door close button in this? That's so weird. Cat view. LachieVid has uploaded this one. If you want to see that, it will be in the description.
Doors opening on level 4.
That's what it's like up here. Door close button does not work. Black Dewhurst.
Doors opening on level 2.
We'll have a look at the motor. Wow.
Doors opening on level 1.
We'll have a walk around this car park and see what else we can find. Just bear with me for a moment. Those just stairs, fire stairs. See what's through there. And here are the others. We'll get this one first.
Doors opening on level 2. Going up. Doors opening on level 4.
We'll get this one over here. Access to station via ground level. We'll now get this one. These are very similar to Auckland Station, but there's some differences. Auckland inside, but Auckland Station has differences. Like in the CIP also has this, has big giant Dewhurst jumbo, and there's no door close button. These are so cool. Cab view. URG.
Doors opening on ground level.
And that's it.